So we are going to play Never Have I Ever, and we'll try to answer like 25 to 30 questions, and yeah, just so that you can know us, know me better, because I've never done. Yeah. Let's get on to it. Never have I ever. Have I thought I knew the words to a song, but they were completely wrong?
This is not funny.
Yeah. I have sung completely wrong lyrics out loud, and I thought they were correct, but they were not. Have you?
No, never.
কোনোদিনও না?
না।
মানে কোনো লিরিক তো শুনে মনে মানে ভেবেছি যেটা ঠিক, কিন্তু লাইক মানে গিয়েছিস ওরকম।
No, I'm just very particular about lyrics. I always Google before I say it.
What is shouting? Never have I ever shouting my name. What the fuck is this? Where have I ever been fishing? Have you?
This is not a good question at all.
Let's try fun. Never have I ever gone skinny dipping. I have
This is
never.
India.
Have you?
No.
I have never. Never have I ever told a dad joke.
No, I haven't. Have you?
No, I don't think so. These are
I'm not that funny.
Yeah,
These
exactly.
These are not funny. I'm not funny.
Or maybe my life is just too boring. Never have I ever sung a song loudly in the shower. Of course.
Who asks these questions?
Yeah, of course.
I have.
I have to. Never have I ever played a practical joke on my friends.
Do you know what a practical joke is?
Like a prank.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have.
Like a prank, like a practical one. Like no one would know it's a prank.
No one would know. They
Understand? They would not understand that it's a prank. Like
Yeah,
it's
yeah,
like
yeah.
a more like a real life scenario or something.
Yeah.
I mean that's what I understand of a practical
I
joke.
have, but like it's not that intense.
I don't do jokes.
Never have I ever tried cutting my friend's
I did,
hair.
and it went horribly. I have, and it went horribly.
What?
I gave bangs instead of curtain bangs to a friend.
How short?
It was very short.
Never have I ever laughed at my own jokes. I have.
I don't joke.
I have. I've laughed at my own words. Like the words that I say. Stuff that I say.
I just realized that I'm not funny.
Never have I ever laughed so hard I cried. I have.
I can cry on cue, so yeah. I have laughed when I cried. I have cried when I cried. I have also cried when I laughed. Yeah.
You should start a YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Never have I ever accidentally laughed out loud with earphones on. I have.
It's a bad question. I have.
Let's just see entertainment.
Entertainment to the movie questions they will ask.
Never have I ever gotten a famous person.
I have.
I have.
I have got Kanan Gill's signature on his book.
Shuman, are you watching this?
He's not, but okay.
Shuman, please. Please. Yeah, I hope. I have never by the way. I've never gotten a famous person signature. Never have I ever gone down the rabbit hole while on the internet. I have.
I have.
I have. I went into that subliminal route. You know subliminals on the internet? I really like affirmations body that, like the dance or that affirmations. But you got not like, able to hear the affirmations. So like I went down that rabbit hole. I don't know how, but I went down that rabbit hole.
But I went down the rabbit hole of BTS on the internet, and that's how I got into BTS because
I just so when
I mean once I watched the video of Blood, Sweat and Tears by BTS, the internet just wouldn't stop.
Same. It's just that one video. Ever have I ever listened to country music?
I
Of
have.
course.
I love it.
Yeah, I have. Never have I ever been to a professional baseball game. This is India, and I haven't. I've been to cricket matches.
Never have I ever gone to a movie by myself. That is in my 2025 to-do list, and I'm going to do it. I haven't yet.
I have. I went to watch
How was it?
Beauty and the Beast alone.
How was it? The experience, not the movie.
Yeah, I mean, there was this auntie beside me, and she was also like least bothered about my existence. I was also least bothered, and we were just
Vibe तो है.
Never have I ever
I have. I still do. Never have I ever.
read an ebook. I have read like what do you mean by ebook? Like fan fiction?
No, ebook means ebook, like a book which is available in its physical version, but you have read it online. It can be. It is not necessarily because fan fiction is not available in physical form. No, more like a novel that you could buy, but you chose to read it on the internet. No, you haven't. Clearly,
I have read like fan fiction.
yeah, that does not count.
Never have I again. Never have I ever had my photo taken with a famous person.
I have.
I have.
If you wouldn't you like remember that kind of stuff?
Yeah, exactly. I've seen people, but I've never like taken a photo. Our lives are so boring. I'll just sip on It's just I've read like fan fiction for ebook and I guess like
That is not.
actually trying to dress like crazy. All the girls like eye makeup. You see my eye makeup. Yeah, I feel like some women in the metro they were like laughing. This one. You know who you are. And बोलते थे एटाई की आजकल स्टाइल लकी शॉप like I think she thought I wouldn't like understand or something but like
How old was she? Auntie. I don't want to age shame anyone, but
you know who you are.
Auntie will not be watching YouTube.
What happened? Just tell the internet what happened.
The internet is down.
Doesn't want us to film or something.
We can film somewhere else also when the network is back.
We'll be back if the network is back. We're back again. So we'll continue the game. We'll do like 10 more questions. That's it. 10 more questions. Okay. Never have I ever taken my friends to the wrong place.
Always, I'm very bad with Google Maps.
Yeah. You always go to the wrong place first and then we go to the correct place.
Yeah.
Never have I ever had noticeable dandruff. I do.
I did it.
I have. You're not sitting here like I felt so accused, right?
Yeah, I felt that.
Like, didn't you feel like accused? Never have I ever said something dumb in front of someone I liked. I have.
I can't even speak in front of someone I
Okay,
like.
don't lie. She is like,
I don't speak in front of people I like.
I can't even look at someone I like. So like, if I run away after seeing you, just take that as a hint. Yeah.
Gym guy, are you seeing this?
No. Never have I ever accidentally broken something at someone else's house.
No.
Yeah, but cake, so pretty.
Damn, son.
We do like, we just do. Never have I ever accidentally broken something at someone else's house. I haven't.
I'm a very nice,
Yeah.
child.
Or just sitting at like the corner of the bed. Never have I ever had something stuck in my teeth all day.
I am guilty.
All day. Like I have.
But like I have, not in
Yeah.
my front teeth, but at the back.
Yeah. But like it depends. These questions they have to be like very
I'm
specific.
checking if I have something stuck on my teeth right now. Subconsciously, why not?
Yeah. Never have I ever accidentally peed my pants.
I have.
I have to. Like not the entire thing, but like
But like,
yeah, you get it.
because I laughed so hard, I peed.
Yeah. I mean, not laugh, but like because I was like holding it. What a laugh. I think it's the whole thing, but like never have I ever tripped while walking in public.
Secret question.
I have.
Of course I have. I think I tripped today also.
I chipped in front of my friends and in front of so many people. Never have I ever thrown up in front of others.
I have. You must have.
I mean, in front of my parents, yes.
I think you would have thrown up as a child.
Yeah.
You have.
Yeah. Never have I ever sneezed on someone.
I have. I sneeze 10 times in the morning as soon as I wake up. I think that has to sound bad.
Yeah, but then how do you? Shit,
I sneezed on my roommate.
Oh, that way I have sneezed on my soft toys and all.
So, on someone, not something.
Never have I ever peed in a public place.
You know. Just
Never.
I'm really
Never have I ever had lice. I had lice.
I had lice once when I was in college. I got it from someone.
I got it from someone. Last question. Never have I ever sweated so much while sleeping the sheets were wet. Not so much. Like not while I was sleeping, but when it's like 40 degrees in Calcutta and we're walking through the street that night. Like I was drenched in my own sweat.
We need another
Yeah,
spoon.
that's it.
That's
Bye.